Good day to all Gabe Asia givers. Update on Ethan current condition. Ethan remained confined at Philippine Heart Center. Ethan underwent a heart device procedure in the past few weeks, and there it was discovered that there was a problem that had not been seen before, and it was in the back of his heart. After being seen during the heart device procedure, they decided to undergo a CT angiogram, which showed the entire heart artery more clearly and clearly. They confirmed this there. And this is what they found was the reason why the child's condition was worsening, something that had not been seen before. Ethan is currently staying in a hospital because he will be undergoing a complicated open heart surgery soon. We will need a large amount of money for open heart surgery of Ethan. I am continue knocking on your kind hearts to help us further at this time. My heart hopes that we can get more help for my son, Ethan. Please help us. Dear givers, Give Asia, thank you very much for your very kind heart and generous heart. Thank you so much, Give Asia. Please help us. God bless you more.